In Art Matters this week, we look at two powerful artworks from the ongoing Kochi Biennale. Veteran theatre artist Anamika Haksar and muralist P.K. Sadanathan choose to focus on the visible and invisible caste prejudice that we live with.
Water, it sets for finding.
1117 कत्ल.
Anamika Haksar's composition on water, a theatre piece and installation at the Kochi Biennale, echoes verses from the Dalit poet Namdeo Dhasal.
Something like water, which is, a source of giving and nurturing. Why has that now become a source of caste politics? It has been divided. There is an upstream, which has been, used by an upper caste, and then the downstream, the muddied water, the polluted water is used for those from the Dalit community. So that is his poem. I mean, it's a very long poem, which we are doing a composition.
Who colors water with caste?
Stories of women sieving water to be able to drink it, a man deprived of water. This abstract piece reminds viewers of the countless instances of caste prejudice.
I've worked with Badal Sarkar, who's a third theatre person, and I've done street theatre for many years, and I work on the proscenium, of course. But I don't know what a Biennale space is, as in that, what is the audience and actor relationship? That is very interesting for us to gauge, because people just come and they pass through. We're used to an audience sitting and watching us, and we build up a rapport. But I am personally very excited by this space, that you can be viewed from here, and we're actually using this. So when people are viewing our work from here, they're seeing a very different perspective. And when we move from that side, you see the emaciated Buddha, and you see the gutter. You get closer to the gutter, you get closer to the fact that this is really what is happening to water today.
Anamika's team with artists from different states will have intermittent shows through the 108 days of the Biennale. Sharing the same space and the same theme is mural artist Sadanathan, whose work is also on display at Aspinwall, the main venue of the Biennale.
This is a social relevant subject. Religious are Kerala mural allowed Pinid Kotarangal church biblical. Apo Pudi Vedi, Genegia Vedi, Borella, art space in the Kumbo, Adinur Genegia Mogol than Ethanam.
Using natural colors and handmade brushes, Sadanathan and his students have painted a popular folk tale from Kerala. Parai Petta Pandirukulam, the story of a Parai or lower caste woman and her 12 children who are brought up in different communities. This piece is a work in progress and viewers can interact with the artist.
Pakanara de Polatania. With the Dalit family, Valare Manina, Valare Vidya, Arivulavana, Tokiana, Varena, Chitri. I am in a chance society, Kulikambo, Podusalto, and the Kulikambo, Adigar and Diamilia. Api they have an Adiravili need to meditation, but Picano, our Dianam, but Picano, other Kulikanum, Sudhi, Sudhi, Vrtila, and Elam, number in the parents, such a bar and the Paranavale, Amnataka, Vrti and the out of Burimari, the other country. Our Parani will pick a gina, Lada, Ditch will pick either to the pick a legend. Arching like on the Pakanari will pick you.
With camera person Pooja Arya and Priya Tuvisheri in Kochi, in New Delhi, Martina Roy for NDTV.